In this video, we're going to custom paint some RC bodies with dish soap. Axel and I both did one of these LGRP bodies, and I think they came out pretty rad. Now, full credit to Matt from Scale Builders Guild for giving me the idea. He recently did a body on his channel, and I got the inspiration from him. This was my first time ever trying this method, so bear with me. I think it came out pretty rad though. So let's jump in. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. We're going to do it step by step together, and then I'll show you the finished product. All right, here's our paint station. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to do our soap. So how this works, hopefully, we're going to take this dish soap and we're just going to make our pattern all over our bodies here. And then we're going to spray down our base colors. It's inverted, so we want the background color we're going to do first, and then the dish soap's going to be where all our colors go. So which one's going to be your base color, big guy?
Gunmetal.
Gunmetal? Okay.
Metal.
So we're both going to do gunmetal. There's gunmetal right there. So the first thing we're going to do is our soap. So what you're going to do, take the soap and you just real lightly squeeze it real nice and light and make all the patterns that you want. Just do practice, buddy. Practice right here. There you go. That's good. That's good. Just like that. All right, here we go. Ooh, yep, good. Okay.
Now do your pattern.
All right, and I'll do mine. I don't know, buddy. We got big globs there. We might have to redo this. What do you think?
You both have that?
Yeah, I'm not really happy with mine. Too much in the front there. Let's redo it. You're done already? Just try number 2. That looks pretty good. Are you happy with that, or do you want any more?
I'm happy with that.
You're happy with yours. Okay, I'm going to set it up here nice and gently and get it out of the way.
On my hand.
I wonder if I can, I'd like to flick it on there. I wonder if I could make splatters.
I do know. So it says, you're getting dirtier than I got.
Well, yeah, well, we'll see who. Yours might come out better because more doesn't always make it better. Okay, I'm going to wash my hands and then we'll do our base cover. Okay, with our splatters and everything on here, next we're going to do our gunmetal gray.
My brush is done.
See the pattern forming already on there. These are both looking pretty rad. So now we're going to let these dry, then we're going to rinse the soap off, and then we'll do our colors. All right, so I just rinsed off the soap. So here's what our bodies are looking like. So they came out pretty good. So we got good gunmetal base. I think I went a little overboard on mine. One thing I learned here is that less is more, I think. But I'm pretty pumped with this. I'm nervous. So I'm thinking purple. Oh, here we go. Oh my, look at that, buddy.
Oh.
Holy moly. But here's a first glance at it. I was nervous, but I think it came out pretty rad. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to back it. I'm going to throw the silver on to back it, I think. And we'll finish this thing up, and Axel's going to start on his. So when you spray paint, big guy, it's just real, like you sweep almost. You squeeze and sweep. Squeeze and sweep. Pull it up a little bit more. Practice over here a little bit. Practice on this spot. There you go. You don't want to do it that heavy though, because you don't want it to run. So just one spray, like that. Back and forth. Back and forth.
I'm going to try that.
I'm going to try it. Good. Perfect. Good. When you're ready, go for it. Back it up a little bit. There you go. Yeah, you keep moving closer. There you go. There you go. Keep going. This is your body, buddy. Make it however you want.
Is that good?
You tell me, my man. This is yours.
That was good.
Yeah. Look at, there you go. There you go. See how nice and even that filled it in? You like it?
Oh, yes.
Oh yeah, look at that. Wow, that's bright.
It's neon.
Yeah, okay. Wherever you want, my man. There you go. Okay?
Right for the side.
There you go. Here's the best part. To peel the outer coating off here to see what it looks like. There it is. It's pretty rad. I was kind of hoping the orange would be brighter, but it came out pretty cool for my first time trying this, I think. Axel's is still drying, so we'll see how his comes out. But yeah, pretty fun project. Alright, here it is. I got the masking off. I put the stickers on, not all of the stickers. I put quite a bit of them on here that comes with the Little Guy Racing Parts body. I tinted the windows. I used the smoke spray from Tamiya to do the windows. Just a couple coats. I don't want to overdo it. But I think it came out pretty good. I'm really happy with this for my first attempt at this. It's got a really cool pattern to it. The metallic purple and the silver backing. The orange kind of came out reddish, which I'm not mad at. I wish it was a little bit brighter, but I think overall this is a pretty cool setup. In hindsight, I would have done less soap. You can see where I did the really thin patterns. That's really the look I was after, and where I did kind of the flicking on the sides. I'm really happy with that, but actually kind of drizzling it on there, I think went on too thick. But it was a good learning experience, and I'm pretty pumped with the results. It's going to look pretty rad on the build. Axel's is still drying here. I'm trying not to flip it upside down because it's kind of weeping green paint right now. It's drying, so I'll let him take the coating off tomorrow morning, but just want to show you guys what he'd come up with here. It's a pretty fun project, always fun to involve him in these things. This will fit a Gladiator wheelbase, so he'll probably put this on one of his SCX-24 Gladiators, so I'm excited to see how that turned out. Here we are on the build, just trying to mock this up. I think it looks really good on the truck itself. Just going to give you guys a quick idea of how it's going to look. I like it, even those white wheels. I think the white wheels look really good. It's the white graphics on the side there. They go with all of the colors on the truck, so I think this was a win. I'm anxious to see how it looks out in the sun, but on the build itself, this came out really nice. I am pretty pumped with this, actually. I'm liking it more and more as I see it. Awesome. I dig it. That's going to wrap it up for the video today. Thanks for hanging out with us and joining us on this fun project. Big shout out to Matt over at Scale Builders Guild for the inspiration. Guys, let me know your thoughts down below. What do you think of the soap painting method? Thanks again for watching. Really appreciate you guys' time. Please give the video a like if you did in fact enjoy it, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any more projects like this. And I'll see you in the next video.